Hello everybody, welcome. Here's how to set up your presentation to run automatically in a non-stop loop. First, create your presentation. Be sure to save it. Then change the view from the normal view to the slide sorter view. Then from the Home tab, we go to the Editing section and select All. From here, we'll go to the Transitions tab, and under the transitions to the slide, let's choose one of the transitions. Let's choose Reveal. As you can see, PowerPoint does an auto preview, so you can get a sense of how the transition will look. And I like the way this looks, so we'll keep the reveal transition. Next, staying within the Transitions tab, we go over to Timing, so we can set the duration. There's an auto default setting for the duration in PowerPoint, and right now it's set at 3.40 seconds. We'll keep it here. We can always come back to change it if the duration is too long or too slow. Staying within the Timing section, we go to Advanced Slide and we click After, and then we change the time it takes for each slide to move from one slide to the next. And we'll change that. We'll click on the up arrow. We'll change it to 1 second. We'll leave it here. And again, we can always come back and change that if need be. Now let's go to the Slideshow tab. And here within the Setup section, we'll click on Setup Slideshow. And in the Setup Show dialog box, we'll go to Show Options, click Loop continuously until escape. Next, go to Advanced Slides and then select Use Timings if present. Nothing else to select here. Click OK. And now let's preview our presentation. We'll click on Slideshow. We'll see if it loops back to the start. I'm happy with the pace of the transition. The slides are advancing at a good pace as well. We're almost at the end. Let's see if it loops back to the start. And indeed it did. This is exactly what we're looking for. We'll hit Escape to end the preview, and we'll click on Normal to return to the normal view. We'll save our presentation, and that is how you set up your presentation to run automatically in a non-stop loop. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day.